So you can tell, like, the tip I like to use. Oops. Oh, shit, I'm on the wrong page. There we go. The tip I like to use is not very common. This is, here, let me clean it off. Is this J-tip, or a bent conical. Like Hacko calls them a J-tip. I like this tip. I don't like conical tips, and I don't recommend conical tips. Some people swear they love them. I don't get it. Whatever. I think they just had a bad chisel tip, but that's just my opinion. I don't think that's necessarily fact. You can get a chisel tip like this. This comes with a Hacko, and this is a great, you could do your beep boop soldering. If you want to party, you want to get wild, you want to freak people out, you go with the Bob Seger knife tip. This thing is one of my favorites, because look at this. You can hit all 4 pins at once. You can, oh yeah, we have 16 here. Look at that. You could just do this and you're done. Oh, wait a minute. I need precision. Hold on a minute. Boom. Now you can do tiny precision work. It's not for everybody, and I used to use this a lot on 805, but I've gotten addicted to my J-tip, and I haven't really been able to take it off. But I think for starters, I recommend getting a chisel tip, or maybe a not so sharp conical tip. Here's like a Hacko conical tip. But the problem with conicals that I run into is the solder sticks here. There's like not enough heat here on the tip. So you end up like soldering like this, which I guess is okay, but I don't like it. Puts me in a rage. Yeah, the knife tip isn't for everybody. Absolutely, for sure. I don't necessarily recommend it to people, but if you want options, that's an option for sure. Chisel for me, yeah, I recommend chisel. I know what's his name, Louis Rossmann hates conical tips. Like I saw a video where he just like, well, you know how Louis Rossmann is. He's just goes on this swear rampage about how awful conical tips are and how you shouldn't fucking use them, and just went on, which I love him for that. But he's wrong that there's plenty of people that are able to use them just fine, and they get good results, and they're happy with the usage of it, and they prefer it. So as much as I love Rossmann, he has some very, very hot takes. That was a soldering joke. Hot takes. Thank you. I'll be here all week. And then I'm going to be at the Lake Titicaca, performing for the Booger Bear Mercenaries. So let's all try to be there. I think I